Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use upper function, lower function and proper function in Excel. First of all, I would like to explain actual use of this function in Excel. Upper function is used to convert the given text into capital letters or in upper cases, and the lower function is used to convert given text into lower cases or in small letter, and proper function is used to convert the first letter of each text into capital one. Now I'm going to show you how to use these functions. Okay, first of all, I would like to show you how to use upper functions. For this, use upper upper function and then press tab and then select the cell which you want to convert into upper cases, and then close the bracket and then copy this formula. Then you will see all the text has been converted into capital one. And now to use this lower function, I have to press LOWER lowercase and then press tab and then select the text which you are going to convert into lowercase. Okay, then press enter, and when I will copy paste this formula, all the text has been converted into smaller one. Okay, and now to use this proper function, I should type PROPER proper and then press tab and then select the cell which you want to convert into proper function. Okay, then press enter. It will show that first letter of each text has been converted into capital one. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel